Welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to make Cajun thighs. This is going to be the first part of a 3-part series I'm going to be doing called All About Braising. Braising is technically when you take a piece of meat and then you sear it and then place it in some liquid and put it in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. So the first part today, of course, is going to be chicken. Then we're going to do beef and pork eventually. But let's get into it.
First, get that cup out of it. I'm gonna replace it with this bowl, but actually, we need to get rid of the bowl too. For some seasonings, so we got white pepper, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, thyme, bay leaves, oregano. Yes, that's oregano.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Add some salt, black pepper, and some garlic powder. For the Cajun blend, we're gonna measure 4 tablespoons of paprika, tablespoon of oregano, tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon white pepper, half teaspoon cayenne, 1 teaspoon thyme, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of onion powder, which I didn't previously show. And of course, some fresh cracked black pepper.
Bagels here.
Give your blend a whisk until thoroughly combined, and then we're going to move on to seasoning our chicken. Chicken thighs will be the type of chicken we're using today. It's the best kind of meat to braise with the bone in, so you gotta drizzle a little bit of olive oil on these and slather them up all over, even underneath the skin.
I like those odds.
Grab that Cajun rub you just made and generously sprinkle half of it all over your chicken, inside and out. And then we're going to get ready to sear this. So we're going to preheat a large pan with some oil and place the skin side down and sear for 2 minutes on each side. You're not going to cook this completely because it's going to be going in the oven. Now we're going to make the Holy Trinity. This is just like the French mirepoix. You're just replacing the carrots for some peppers instead. These 3 vegetables will act as the base for making our sauce. This is a crucial step in not only Southern cooking, also cooking in general. You always want to start with a base of 3 vegetables. Begin to saute your mirepoix over medium heat until it starts to become translucent. Next, you're going to add 3 or 4 cloves of chopped garlic, and to this add about 4 cups of chicken stock. Mix in the rest of that Cajun blend that you made earlier, and then we're going to add some roux to thicken this. To make a roux, you usually take equal parts butter and flour, but I used oil, so I did 3 tablespoons of oil and 3 tablespoons of flour and cooked on low heat for 5 to 6 minutes. And then quickly whisk in your roux while the stock is boiling. Toss in about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and place 1 bay leaf. Allow this mixture to simmer for at least 15 minutes. This parchment paper I have on top of the sauce is called a cartouche. It prevents the skin from filming and keeps the sauce from evaporating too quickly. So we're going to add a 1/4 cup of heavy cream to the sauce and then place in our chicken thighs. Into a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, we're going to cook these chicken thighs for 20 to 30 more minutes until tender. Once finished, we're going to place some rice on a plate and we're going to top it with our chicken and some more of our sauce and freshly cut green onion.
I hope you had fun today. I love braising meat. Anyway, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.